What up, what up, what up, what up, good people? What up, boy? So check it out. Today we're going to figure out how to add music to our project in Final Cut Pro. We're going to learn how to fade it out, how to bring it in, how to cut it, everything like that. So, but first, before we get into that, you already know we got to roll that intro. Let's get it. The first thing that we want to do is we want to find the track. And so as you see here, these red spots, these are not good. This means that you're peaking, so it's going to be too loud. If you're a good YouTuber, which I know you are, or you're going to be, we don't want any reds, because then that'll make people not trust you and not listen to your channel, because their ears are in danger every time they turn you on. Okay, so we'll bring it over here because I wanted to start at the intro. Okay, so what we could do, usually for like an intro, we want it louder here, and then when I start talking, we want it lower. So it's two ways that you could do this. Right here, we could cut that, and then we want to bring this down to where it's no more red. So you see at about 6 decibels, 5 decibels, we good. But then we start to go crazy around like 0. So bring this down. I'll bring this down to maybe like 6. So going here, guilty, but we back. Even that might be a little bit too much. So let's bring it down to 10. But we back. You just want to make sure it's comfortable. Okay. And then over here, you bring this down for talking. I bring this down to like 20, like 25, 27. What up, what up, what up? It's BZB. Okay. So that's one way to do it. I really don't mind the fact that it goes straight from 10 to 27. What up, what up, what up? See that? But if you do, then there's another way that you could do this. So let's say we find the track again and we just drag it in there. Easy peasy. Okay. What I would do, I bring this down first. I bring it down to like 25. Let's bring it down to 25. And then we pick the range tool up here. You could do range, or you could press R. See that? R. So if we press R, then we come here, then we go to the end. Nah, the end is like right here. Go from the beginning to about right there, because that's how long the intro is. Then we want to press A again, or go to select, and then we could bring this up to what we say, 10. So boom, back. What up, what up, what up? And then it's more like a gradual. You got this point now. So then now we could bring this in so it could get quieter faster, or we could bring it out and then it's even more gradual. What up, what up, what up? This beat then is gonna go down to 25. So you can see like here, it starts at -10, then it's gonna go down. So if we bring this, it's gonna bring the value down immediately. What up, what up? So that's another way that you could do it. Let's say that you want music in your whole video. Basically, you're just gonna take this, copy it, and then paste it. And then as you see right here, I added it where the music starts to fall off. So you have a library, then you have an event, and then and notice that I started it right at the 27. I started it right at the -27, because we don't want it to be too loud. Okay, cool. So we got it going to the end. 3 reasons, and we'll see you in the next video. Now you see how it faded out. So you want to go right here to the end of the clip and wait till you get this. You might have to like hover around it a little bit. But this one right here, you want to grab this tool and then just bring it to the end. So you see here, this curve, this is bringing the volume down, gradually fading out in your video editing software. And we'll see you in the next video. See, it's getting quieter. See, easy. That's easy, bro. That's money right there. Because, and I like to kind of have it where the song is playing after the clip ends too. So that's just me. Okay. All right, cool. So if you found value in this, which I hope you did, please let me know. Drop me a like, a comment. Let's talk about it. And we'll see you in the next video.